Republic of the Philippines Commission on Elections, CEF number 22. Certificate of Canvass of Voters and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Member, House of Representatives. May 12, 2025 National and Local and Bar Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 213 cluster precincts for the candidates therein for member, House of Representatives in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached thereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precincts, CEF number 20-A, garnered by each candidate for the office of member, House of Representatives. That after such canvass, it appears that Valeriano, Roland, CRB, and UP garnered 59,865 votes for the office of member, House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as a duly elected member, House of Representatives of NCR, City of Manila, 2nd Legislative District, Province of National Capital Region, Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province, National Capital Region, Manila, this May 13, 2025, 4:03 p.m. Member, House of Representatives, City of Manila, National Capital Region, Manila. City Board of Canvassers, signed and thumb mark, Jericho M. Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni T. Lim, Vice Chairperson, and Elisa R. Lumeda, Member Secretary.